Hello friends, I am Professor Vinay V. Ankolekar from TSSMS, Bhimrao Savant College of Engineering and Research, Narre, Pune. Our institute code is EN6649. I welcome everyone for a lecture on Introduction to Power Plants, which is a part of the SPPU, that is Savitribai Phule, Pune University, first year engineering curriculum. So let us start today's session. I will be explaining the working of steam or thermal power plant. Power plants are used to generate power, that is electricity. Electricity is the need of the hour. There are different types of power plant like steam or thermal power plant, nuclear power plant, solar thermal power plant, hydroelectric power plant, wind power plant and tidal power plants. Let us discuss thermal power plant. The steam or thermal power plant consists of basic 5 elements, that is a boiler. It is also called as a steam generator. It is an heat exchanger as well as a pressure vessel. Second element is the steam turbine, which is coupled with the generator. Third is the condenser, and last is the boiler feed pump. Apart from these elements, there is a boiler furnace. Below the boiler there is a chimney and cooling tower. Let us discuss the function of each in brief. Okay. First, there is a boiler. Boiler is a pressure vessel. It is a heat exchanger. It is used to generate the high pressure, high temperature steam from the heat produced due to the combustion of fossil fuel, that is either coal, oil or gas. The steam that is produced in the boiler is supplied to the turbine, that is a steam turbine. The steam is impinged over the blades which are there on the fitted on the shaft, periphery of the turbine shaft. So the kinetic energy of the steam is converted into mechanical energy of the rotating shaft. The turbine shaft is coupled with the generator shaft, thus the mechanical energy is converted into electrical energy. The exhausted steam at the exit of the turbine is passed into the heat exchanger, that is called as a condenser. The steam is condensed into water by supplying the cooling water. The condensate or the water in the condenser is fed back to the boiler by using the boiler feed pump, hence the working circuit is completed. The fossil fuels, that is coal, oil or gas, is burnt in the boiler furnace. So there is always a boiler furnace below the boiler. Also during the combustion of the fuel, the exhaust flue gases are produced which are required to be released in the higher atmosphere, hence there is necessity of a chimney in a steam or thermal power plant. The cooling water which is supplied to the condenser needs to be cooled down because it absorbs the heat during condensation process, hence there is a necessity of a cooling tower in the thermal power plant. So I hope I tried to help you understand the working of a thermal power plant in an easier way. Thank you very much.